Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LTO network. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern for the past several months. In almost in my every video, I was showing you that wedge, and I was telling you that once LTO network will be able to break it out, this multi-year space resistance of this big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, then we can expect a very massive rally. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally the price and broke out the resistance, and then we had a very powerful pump. And so far from this though, when we had this big drop here up till this high, it has recovered almost 1018%. And from this though, when it was last time testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, it has rallied almost 500%, 485%. And during this rally, it has broken out so many significant resistance levels. One was here at 8 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and support here. And before that, here it had been breaking as a resistance, and after breaking it out, it also broke out another resistance here at 12 cents, and after that, imminently, it also broke out another resistance of 15 cents as well. In fact, this was a complete, very strong and long-term resistance on that starts from 12 cents and goes to 15 cents. It had been previously breaking as a resistance on here, and for several weeks it had been breaking as a support zone here, and after the breakdown, since after the month of May 2022, it was breaking as a very strong resistance, and now recently we have broken it out, and now the price end has reached the next resistance of 30 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And in case of a complete rejection by this resistance, if it will be moved more down, then it can test this previous resistance zone as a support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a hidden bullish divergence that is still in play on the daily time frame chart. You can see that as stochastic is moving down, forming lower than previous though, and at the same time, you can see that the price line is moving up. The stochastic you can see is moving down, and price line is moving up, and not able to form another lower than previous. So therefore, this is another signal that the price line can still make several attempts to break out the next resistance of 30 cents, and we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for LTO that I shared, by the way, on 8th of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that LTO formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 40% pump only on this 4-hour daily time frame chart. And after that, you can see that the price line had a bigger pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LTO. And first of all, let me to show you the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after December 2020, it was moving inside this very huge falling wedge pattern. You can see we found the support here in the month of December 2020, and we found the resistance here in the month of April 2021. And here we had a fake out, but the price then re-entered the same falling wedge pattern. And during this drop, the price then also broke down this very significant support zone that starts from 15 cents and goes to 12 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance on here, and here as well. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a very strong support zone. And from the month of January 2021 up till the month of May 2022, it has been breaking as a very strong support zone. And after the breakdown, it was again flipped into a strong resistance zone. And now recently, a few weeks ago, we have broken out this resistance zone after breaking out this big falling wedge pattern. And now the price line is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of 30 cents. On a daily time frame chart, you can see that the price line is not forming another lower than previous as compared to this low and this low. And if we take a look at the oscillator, then you can see that here oscillator formed this low here, and the next low is lower than the previous low. And now we have also received the bull cross between these two moving averages of stochastic oscillator. Like blue line has crossed the orange line, that is a buying signal by the stochastic oscillator. Therefore, now there is a probability that it may make another attempt to break out this resistance of 30 cents once again. And once it will be able to break out this resistance of 30 cents, then another major resistance will be here at 40 cents, and that move can be imminent once the price and will be able to break out this 30 cents, and an imminent move can be possible up to the next resistance. Like we had this imminent move here after breaking out this resistance, the price and imminently move up to the next resistance of 30 cents. Now, if you take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.